Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is truly the best water flosser on the market, the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick. If you're looking for a powerful, portable, and professional-level oral care device, this one stands out with its impressive features and performance. Right off the bat, the COSLUS Water Flosser comes equipped with advanced ultra-fine dual-thread water pulse technology, delivering water pulses at an astonishing 1400 to 1800 times per minute. This ensures it removes 3 times more plaque compared to traditional flossing methods, offering a deep clean that improves gum health and prevents bad breath and cavities. This technology is professionally endorsed by an American dental team, so you know it's built on expert advice. One of the major upgrades on this model is the large 300 ml water tank, which is twice the size of older versions. That means no more stopping mid-clean to refill, making your flossing routine much more convenient whether you're at home or on the go. Speaking of portability, the COSLUS Flosser features an incredibly long-lasting rechargeable battery. A single 3-hour charge powers it for up to 30 days of regular use, making it a perfect travel companion. It's compact, lightweight, and comes with a USB cable for easy charging anywhere. Durability and usability also shine here. The device is IPX7 waterproof, so you can safely use and clean it in the shower without any worries. The upgraded motor enhances the dual-stream water flow, contributing to a product lifespan of 3 years, which is quite impressive for a portable dental device. Its ergonomic handle design and 5 interchangeable tips ensure a comfortable and versatile experience tailored to different users' needs. The flosser offers multiple operation modes and pressure settings, giving you the flexibility to customize your oral care based on your sensitivity and preferences. It's gentle enough for beginners while powerful enough for thorough cleaning. For first-time users, starting on the soft mode with your mouth closed helps your gums adjust comfortably to the water pressure. While the charging adapter is not included to avoid waste, you can easily charge it with any 5V adapter you have at home or purchase one directly from COSLUS if needed. The package may come with different packaging styles, but rest assured, the contents remain consistent and reliable. In summary, the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick combines powerful cleaning technology, thoughtful design, and exceptional battery life into one compact device. Whether you want to improve your gum health, prevent cavities, or simply enjoy a convenient and effective way to floss on the go, this water flosser ticks all the boxes. If you want a product that professionals recommend and that can seamlessly fit into your daily routine or travel kit, this is it. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights.